everyone, welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. Today I want to show you how to make a clam soup. So in Japan, there are so many soups, including miso soup. I'm sure some of you are interested in knowing other soups. For this soup, we enjoy the natural flavor from the clams. So we don't add excess ingredients, like add a little bit salt and soy sauce, and also Shiro-dashi. This is the white dashi I use in this video. So if you can find Shiro-dashi at your supermarket, please substitute dashi soup stock. I put the recipe around here. In this case, please add a little bit mirin, just a tiny drops of mirin. So this soup is very delicate soup. And we usually eat this soup at kaiseki dishes or some events like girls' festival. I searched on the website why people usually have a clam soup at the girls' festival. Because since the shells of Cherrystone clam did not change their partners, so they became a symbol of harmony between married couples. So parents prepare Cherrystone clam soup for the doll festival, hoping their daughter will come across a good partner. And it also says, and of course, Hamaguri, the clam is now in season, so it has a lot of nutrition. So I feel a little bit different and feel special to make this soup. Are you ready to cook? Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Okay, now the soup is done, so let's try tasting. Itadakimasu. So I put a wheat gluten today to add more fancy colors. And people eat wheat gluten a lot here in Japan. And I will sip the soup. So there's a natural flavor from the clam. It's so very unique and also very comfort. Once you taste this soup, you will be addicted to this soup. So, and also you can eat clam itself. Very chewy. When I taste this soup, I feel that spring has come. And I use Mitsuba. This taste also very special. So yum! Yeah, I ate everything. ごちそうさまでした. So did you enjoy the video? I hope so. And I'll put this recipe on my recipe app. And by the way, do you enjoy my recipe app? It's a free app. I hope you downloaded it already. The name is The Recipe by YJC. For watching everyone. So see you next time.